Hello everyone, Alex here from Porsche Centre Dublin, presenting this stunning 2001 Porsche 911 Carrera 996 model designation. Cherished number plate 01D4911. Finished in GT silver metallic paint. This car has undergone a full restoration, including a full respray, wheel respray and engine rebuild. The car is currently still undergoing some maintenance work. We're waiting on some parts, but it should be ready soon, so it's almost ready for sale. Stunning machine. 3.4 litre flat 6. Petrol cap on the front right. Not a mark or scrape on it, obviously being fully resprayed. One owner original car. The owner collected this car from Germany in 2001 from the factory, drove it back to Ireland, where he owned it ever since, before changing it earlier this year. Exhaust tips there at the bottom. The car is absolutely immaculate. Tiptronic gearbox as well inside the car. Black leather interior. Carrera on the door sills. Electric windows. And the Alcantara headlining as well. Porsche steering wheel here. And then obviously two seats in the rear. Looks really good up here in our window on display. So that's the 2001 Porsche 911 996. This car is up for sale for $49,950, based on all the restoration work that we've undergone and have to do on the car as well. Any questions, give ourselves a call to express an inquiry with a member of our sales team. Number to call on is 01235 3375. Hope you enjoyed the quick video walk around, and thank you for looking. Take care now.